Assalamu alaikum, my dear children. I'm here with the new lesson, that is our neighborhood. First of all, what is neighborhood and who are our neighbors? Let's find out that. Okay, so let's get started. The places around our house is our neighborhood. So what is neighborhood? The places around our house is called as neighborhood. For example, you take your house is this. So what are the places near your houses? They are nothing but the neighborhood. Okay, and there are many houses in our neighborhood. Yes, of course, in the neighborhood you will find the many houses. Our neighbors live in these houses. So who are your neighbors? They are nothing but the people who live near your house are called neighbors, and they will live in these houses. See the picture of Million Joy's neighborhood. So we have taken the example of Million Joy's neighborhood here. So what comes under the neighborhood? It covers the market, okay, and post office, bank. Here is the school, hospital. All these are the necessary things, isn't it? These are the important places that should be in every neighborhood. So in every neighborhood we'll find these important places. Where would Millie and Joy go to do these things? Fill in the blanks with the words from the help box. So here is the help box given. You have to choose from this the right answer. Okay, first is to post a letter. To post a letter, where would Millie and Joy go to? Will they go to the market, hospital, park, or post office? To post a letter, we have to go to the post office. Okay, next is to buy ice cream. Where do Millie and Joy go to buy ice cream? Of course, they have to go to the market for that, isn't it? If you go in the market, you'll find the ice cream and also all the eatable items, isn't it? When they fall sick, whenever we fall sick, where we go, children? Of course, we go to the hospital. So here also, when the Millie and Joy fall sick, they will go to the hospital. To play in the evening, where do you go? We go to the park, isn't it? So other than the houses, there may be other places in a neighborhood too. There may be a market, a school, or a hospital. Find these places in Million Joy's neighborhood. How many of these do you have in your neighborhood? So other than the houses, we'll have the special places like the market, school, hospital, isn't it? Usually we have these things in our neighborhood. And by seeing the picture of this Million Joy's neighborhood, you have to answer that what are the special places other than the houses in your neighborhood. You have to answer that. Okay, so how many of these do you have in your neighborhood? You have to answer. Next is look at the picture above and answer the following. First is the park is dash the market. The park is in front the market or behind the market? First of all, let us find out where is park. Okay, now where is the park, children? This is the park. Okay, an open place with a greenery. It's called a park. So where is the market? Sorry, where is the park? Park is in front of the market. It is facing towards it. So towards it. So the answer is the park is in front of the market. Okay, next is the dash is beside the post office. So what is beside the post office? Here is the post office. What is beside it? Bank or market? Bank is here and market is here. So beside means near. So what is near post office? Beside post office, bank. Okay, beside means who is by the side of you. So post office is beside the bank. Okay, so bank is beside the post office. Next is the dash is far from the bank. So what is far from the bank? Bus stop or hospital? Let's find out that. Where is the hospital? It is here. So it is far from the bank. Where is bank? It is here, isn't it? So it is far or near? Of course it is far. So answer is hospital. Hospital is far from the bank. Bus stop is here only now. So what is far? Hospital. So hospital is far from the bank. So now you came to know that what is neighborhood and who are the neighbors and what are the important places in the neighborhood you can see. Now let's continue here. Here is one activity given. What is that activity? Walking around your neighborhood can be great fun and a good exercise too. Take a walk around your neighborhood with an adult. Note the things you can see, hear and smell. So everyone lives in a neighborhood, isn't it? So you also go with your adult, go with your elders and take a round around your neighborhood and note these things: what you can see, what you can hear, and what you can smell in your neighborhood. You have to answer here. First one is I can see. What you can see in your neighborhood, write the answer here. I can hear. What you can hear in your neighborhood, you have to answer that. And what you can smell, you have to answer here. So by this, the activity will be done, and we'll catch up in the next video with the last part of this lesson. Till that, stay safe, stay connected. Allah Hafiz.